In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to generate API keys for our workspace and define which capabilities we want to attach to them. To begin, we navigate to the Account Settings. Under the Workspace Settings tab, we scroll to the bottom of the screen, where we find the option to set or generate our API keys. Next, we click on the Generate API Key button. Here we can provide a name for the key, for instance, my new API key. We also have the option to set a lifetime for the key, allowing it to expire after a certain number of days. In the Capability section, we can define the capabilities we want to enable for this API key. For instance, if we want to enable this API key to access audit logs, we can add this option. If we want to enable this API key to trigger and run or schedule, we'll use the Schedules Admin capability. If we want to use this API key purely for extracting logs from our Bolt runs, then we can use the Metadata Viewer, or choose the respective capabilities if we want to set up custom integrations using the API, manage users' access, view users' role and permissions, or workspace metadata. Once we have set the desired capabilities for the API key, we click on the Create button. Now, we have our new API keys generated. It is important to securely store your API key, secret, and endpoint, as you will not be able to retrieve them after closing the tab.